Hey guys, Dr. Sandy again, wishing you much health, wealth, success, prosperity, and just abundance in your life. That's what this office represents, and we want the best for you. Whatever project or whatever you're working on, just wish you massive blessings. Now, one thing I thought I would do as well, because I get to see all this stuff and I want to share with you. So this is a patient who took a moment and she said we can share this with our patients as well. So she was just saying how she had been coming here and some of the changes she noticed. So what she was saying is that since care started, I've noticed that my energy level has increased, as has my ability, and I'm just going to stop right there. So a big thing we see chronically with a lot of people, when the pain is chronic in the body, when there's long-term pressure in your spinal cord, it definitely affects your energy levels. If you can imagine, when you get up in the morning, if you have 100 units of energy to use throughout the day, if you're chronically in pain, it takes away from that energy. And that just doesn't mean the energy to move, but the energy to speak, the energy to think. Everything you do takes energy. And if you're chronically in pain, if there's chronic pressure on the spinal cord, you won't have those extra reserves. So thinking, moving, mobility all gets impacted. She goes on further to say the debilitating trigeminal neuralgia pain has significantly decreased, and because of that, I'm also depending less on the medication. So what she was also saying is because she's feeling better. What is trigeminal neuralgia, first of all? So that's when you can have a shooting pain going in the face. So very painful. You see this happening in people and they'll feel like it's an electrical current literally almost going in the face. And with specific chiropractic taking pressure off the cervical area, you can actually make a difference there. Also by working on the TMJ area, because that shooting pain can be very, very painful. And the bottom line is, if we talk about a theme, when there's a blockage, you can't express yourself. So what I love about chiropractic and even the philosophy, the main philosophy of chiropractic is if there's a subluxation nerve pressure in the body, it affects how the body performs. And that applies to anything. If your car has a blockage, if an artery has a blockage, if anything is blocked, if there's some kind of interference, maybe there's interference at work, someone's bothering you, whatever it is, anytime you have a blockage, you can't express something. And all we're doing in chiropractic is taking pressure off the spinal cord, removing any blockages off the spinal cord so the brain and body can communicate, and then you can have health. What a simple concept. Is nutrition important? You better believe it. Is fitness important? Yes, it is. Massage therapy, great stuff, physiotherapy, all that good stuff, but you need to take pressure off the central nerve system. What does the central nerve system control? Everything. It controls everything. It controls every system in the body. It needs to be corrected. It needs to be maintained so you can have that highest level of health. So God bless. Love talking to you guys. I'll be here again.